Spanish does not have a construction like there is, or there are, or there was. To express there is, or there are, we use the single word I, spelt H-A-Y. Whether it's singular or plural, we use the one word hay. So, hay un coche, there is a car. Hay un coche esperando, there's a car waiting. Or for there are, hay 3 personas en la clase. Hay 3 personas en la clase. There are 3 people in the class. How would you say there is a cat? Hay un gato. Hay un gato. How would you say there are 3 cats? Hay 3 gatos. Hay 3 gatos. So, I. And in English, we often add the word some or any when we use in there is or there are. So you probably wouldn't just say in English, there is cheese. You would probably say, there is some cheese. There is some cheese. If you're asking, is there any milk? You probably wouldn't just say, is there milk? Although you could do, but there would be a tendency to say, is there any milk? Add in any. And in Spanish, it's not necessary to have that filler of some and any. So how would you ask, is there any cheese? Is there any cheese? ¿Hay queso? ¿Hay queso? How about there isn't any bread? There isn't any bread. No hay pan. No hay pan. How about there aren't any plates? There aren't any plates. Plates are platos. No hay platos. No hay platos. So, no need for the some and any. Now, before we go on to the past, how to say there was and there were, I is used in an everyday expression, meaning something like, how's it going? And it's ¿qué hay? ¿Qué hay? Literally meaning, what is there? What is there? I suppose it could be like, what's up? Or how's it going? So, ¿qué hay? So, you might well be greeted by ¿qué hay? And in the same way as in English, how's it going? Pues bien. Okay, fine. Anyway, the past of I is, so to say there was or there were, is había. 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 So there was a boy. Había un chico. There were 2 boys. Había 2 chicos. So it doesn't change to habían. You might think you need to change it to the they, to plural, habían. In the same way as there's just one in the present, I. In the past, it's había for there was and there were. Había un problema. There was a problem. How would you say there were lots of books? Or there were many books. Había muchos libros. Había muchos libros. How about, were there any houses? Were there any houses? ¿Había casas? ¿Había casas? How about, there wasn't much? There wasn't much. No había mucho. No había mucho. And a useful addition would be to say, there wasn't much to do. There wasn't much to do. And that to do in this sentence, in this phrase, the word to do is hacer, but here we would say que hacer. So, no había mucho que hacer. There wasn't much to do. No había mucho, there wasn't much. No había mucho que hacer. There wasn't much to do. How would you say then, there isn't much to do? There's not much to do. No hay mucho que hacer. No hay mucho que hacer. And use the same construction to say there's not much to see. There's not much to see. No hay mucho que ver. No hay mucho que ver. How would you say, there wasn't much to see? There wasn't much to see. No había mucho que ver. No había mucho que ver. There wasn't much to see. As this is quite straightforward, let's do the future in this lesson as well. So we've had there is, there are, we've had there was, there were, and now let's do there will be. There will be. And there will be is just habrá. Habrá. H-A-B-R-A with an accent. Habrá. Habrá. There will be. How would you say, there will be something fun? There will be something fun. Habrá algo divertido. Habrá algo divertido. How about, there won't be any cars? There won't be any cars. No habrá coches. No habrá coches. How about, there won't be much to do? There won't be much to do. No habrá mucho que hacer. No habrá mucho que hacer. How about, there won't be much to see? No habrá mucho que ver. How about, will there be much to see? Will there be much to see? ¿Habrá mucho que ver? ¿Habrá mucho que ver?